Video number 10, LinkedIn Mobile Apps. LinkedIn is one of the most powerful tools for professionals. It helps you connect and network with individuals who can bring new collaborations, job opportunities, and brand recognition. Besides the main LinkedIn mobile apps for phones and for tablets, here are 5 main apps that you can have on your mobile phone or device. LinkedIn Job Search. This is a great app for finding new opportunities. It helps you find new jobs based on the job title, keyword, and location. You also receive notifications and recommendations based on your job searchers. It also gives you notifications for your current LinkedIn profile. With this app, you will learn that opportunity does not only knock at your door, but it also sends notifications. It gives you the chance to find your dream job wherever you want to work using the location-based search. It is now powered with Premium, and now you will be in a position to access your Premium insights and Premium accounts. The app gives you basic details of the job, such as full or part-time, company details, the job title, and option of whether to save it or apply to it. You can apply to the jobs you find using your LinkedIn profile. The procedure of applying for a job is very easy. You can apply with your LinkedIn profile in just a few minutes. Note that it should be done in total privacy. You can get the app free of charge if you have an iOS or Android phone or tablet. LinkedIn Pulse. This app connects you with all of the social networks, so you can easily get updated. It is one of the award-winning tools for stories, news, and content from your connections. It gives you the ability to read, save, and share interesting articles. You can also browse through pieces from your key publications and follow influencers to see the latest stories. Pulse will only notify you of the news that you need to know, hence saving you time. It filters the information according to your preferences. You get news in your field of specialization, and you get notifications when your connections make news. Pulse is an important app because it helps you learn from every person, company, and topic. It also helps you customize your news feed based on categories such as sports, business, science, photography, and more. You can also share your articles with other social media networks, such as Twitter, Facebook, and many others. The app also helps you sync feeds across your devices and save items in other apps, such as Evernote, Instapaper, and Pocket, among others. The app ensures that you have something relevant to talk about every day. LinkedIn Recruiter. The LinkedIn Recruiter is an app that is used to locate job candidates. The app is available mainly for those with LinkedIn Recruiter accounts. The app offers both paid and free services. Using the app, you can find the LinkedIn profiles of your potential hires and contact them via text, in-mail, phone, or email. You can also receive alerts in real time so that you can respond instantly. The Recruiter app helps the employer assess the profile of potential employees and their qualifications. The app is currently available for Android and iOS devices free of charge. The app provides an easy way to find and respond to talent. Whether you are in a career fair, conference, or interview, you are in a position to access the app right from your phone. You can preview the profiles of potential hires and respond to them while at the same time keeping track of your team's activities. Sales Navigator. This is one of the apps that is best for keeping up your leads and accounts. The app is useful for people who deal with sales. Thus, it is available for those who have paid LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts. It helps you connect easily with other sellers and keep up with leads. You can also easily access your account using the app and connect with other parties. The app gives you the information that you need about sales in your area of specialization. You can get the app free of charge if you have an iOS or Android device. SlideShare. This is a great app that you can use to browse and create presentations. The mobile app helps you peruse through millions of presentations or quickly create a presentation. You are in a position to create presentations from infographics to videos. This makes it one of the most popular tools for media content creation and sharing. The app also gives you the opportunity to share presentations based on categories such as education, business, technology, design, and much more. You can also share information via social media platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. You can save the information you like and check it out offline later. You can get the app free of charge if you have an iOS or Android device. It's easy to use, so download it.